The project, James, is that I want to put 3 blades to replace the 3 cutting blades on this riding lawnmower. And to do that, we're going to have to lift the front of the mower up so enough that I can get under it with an impact hammer, and we'll lift it up with the bucket of the tractor, and then we'll put those, for safety, put those jack stands under it. So, and I'll leave the bucket and the chain attached, so we'll have it secured in 3 ways. And the other thing we'll do is put some, let's see, wedges behind these wheels. I don't want it to roll backwards.
Correct.
I have got the brake on, but I don't, oh, here they are, right here. Let's put one of these behind each.
A scotch, as it were.
Yeah, a scotch.
A good scotch.
And since we don't want it rolling forward either, we're going to put these under the front.
Okay. And I'm so glad that you said that we're going to use the tractor to lift the front of it, because this is a heavy machine.
It is a heavy machine. So I'm going to go over and get on the little tractor with the bucket lift, and which still has the sidearm mower attached because I've not taken it off. Here we go. How about that one right there?
This one?
Yeah, let's take that
Or
one.
the small one?
Oh, there's that bigger one. Okay, put this over the lip of the bucket.
Back down just a fraction.
I think that's going to have to do it. It ain't perfect, but perfect is not always achieved.
And you put these right underneath the blade or the mower?
Yeah, the blade housing there. And just
okay.
Yeah, there we go, like that. And it doesn't have to be, but just put it on there, and it doesn't have to actually touch. I can let I just stare in case it starts coming down.
Got it.
Has something besides my chest to stop its fall. There you go.
All right.
Okay.
All right, so we can drop that down just a little bit if you want to rest on those?
No, it's not necessary.
You think not? Okay.
Just want to set that thing there.
And your impact wrench.
Okay.
And you know what, you already got the size on there, right?
I don't know whether that's the right size, but...
Okay, I'll get underneath there.
No, you're not. I'm not letting you get underneath there, and you're nice clean. Make sure. The thing is, it's real easy to bump your head. Thank you. I have been known to bump my head.
Okay, I'm going to maintain the cord so you can get it loose there.
I think that's not big enough. 13, 16. What did we say this was?
15, 16.
What is 14 16ths? That would be 7/8.
Yeah.
Right. So where is my 7/8? That's 11 16ths.
That's a 13 16ths.
Let's hold that one. To make it easy, is you just take the board and put the blade against that like that, if that's going the right way. Okay, give it a try on the middle one now. And this one. off. Let's see, is that socket slipping on that nut?
I don't think so. I think we're just out of air pressure right now.
I want to look at that.
So it's going to be on this side over here.
Which one?
So it should be a 23 maybe. Well,
You see, these are all, these are not metric numbers here.
okay, then there's a 21.
It may be. Yeah. Thing, watch your head.
Okay, that's off. All right, here we go. Let's see what we can do here. You got it blocked off for me there.
It's depending on which way it's going. I think this.
Okay, have you got a breaker bar?
Yeah. I have, and that's what it's going to take. I'll put back on there. I need to put this on the end of it to give us.
Okay. Let me get it in here first. Okay, now let me have that.
Okay.
And then you're going to have to hold it for me.
Hold on just a minute. Get that blade. Turn it back the other way a little bit, because I can't get this in the. There now.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let me see what I can do here.
I thought I saw something move, but I'm not sure.
I think it did. I just got to reset. That's what I got to do. Hang on. Let me reset. Tap me on there if you can. Ah! Okay, now. All right. Now. Hang on. Well, it's wanting to be contrary.
Fiddlesticks.
Okay, now. All right, now.
Okay, I've got you over here.
Now I got to get my leverage bar on there again.
You'll be able to turn it now.
Okay.
Where did we go with our there.
Well, that was fun.
Okay. Oh. Let's get this thing back out of the way. Okay, fortunately, I had blades already sharpened, and I need to do this.
You want some of this right here, this the blaster?
PB blaster, I guess that will do the trick. Get that sucker started.
Okay, let me see it.
There. Okay, is it caught?
I think so.
Okay.
So why don't you just give me a socket ratchet and let me put them on with a socket ratchet instead of that air impact?
I would go with that.
Because I think that we had too much pressure the last time we had them on there. What's your, yeah.
There's a regular.
Okay. Okay.
That ought to be good enough.
Okay. Now, let me have.
The next one.
So what's the sequence on this that it goes?
I'll show you here. We got a blade.
Yeah, I got here, you got a spacers too.
I need a blade though.
It's spinning some way or another. You're going to have to block off up above some way or another because that's where it's turning. That or we're going to have to turn this one over here.
Okay, go ahead.
You got that one now?
I think.
Yeah, that's much better. That's got it now. Oh, what you got? Oh, man. I feel like I'm driving downtown to get these bolts through here.
I know, I wonder if they're cross-threaded or something like that.
A couple more turns, maybe. One more. Okay. That should be it. Now, one more time. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try the gun to get it at least tight.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead now and use the socket bar to,
which is
behind me, of course. All right, and you continue to hold. Okay, let's get that one.
Do we ever tighten the one on the...
No, sir, we have not gotten to that one yet. We're doing it next. Okay. Now.
Let me block this blade. Let me turn this way just a little bit and get this back here now.
Okay. All right.
Just this out. I'll lift it up just a smidgen.
Scooch, just a scooch. Got it. And there you have it, folks, an easy transition.
I sincerely apologize for getting you involved in this project.
No, it was good.
I was just telling Nigel that, you know, many times since I've owned this mower, I've run the tractor and they lifted it up, put the chocks under it, gotten under it where that area is, taken the 3 blades off, taken them over to the sharpener. It takes about 10 minutes to sharpen the 3 blades, back under the tractor, put them back on, all in less than 30 minutes. You know, probably less than 20 minutes is the usual. The last time that I dealt with this, that middle bolt, the middle, I couldn't get off with the
Torque wrench?
the air hammer,
Yep.
you know, and had to get the cheater bar on the pull handle
Yeah.
to get it off. And to my knowledge, I was careful when I put it back on not to tighten it too much. Normally when I put that on there, I chock it up and then I watch the socket and I let it go about maybe half a turn or a fourth of a turn after it's snugged up. You know, I can see the movement of the socket. And that has always been easy to remove the next time.
So you might want to consider getting replacement bolt for at least 1 or 2 of those, because I think the shoulders have rounded off.
The show, and you're absolutely right.
To make it easier. And in order to continue using your air wrench, which is certainly doable, they actually make now, I have used them before, it is a, you can get them at Harbor Freight.
Torque gauge.
Well, no. It is a torque gauge. And basically, it will not allow it to over tighten.
Whatever you set it at, that's as much as it's going to tighten. I really think, as I say, I'm going to do that because I don't. Usually, I change the blades by myself.
Well, I think what's happened on this one is that the combination of the two, one was that it was over torqued, and second was that it was rounded off the shoulder, made it difficult in order to get. You're actually wet.
Sweaty hands. Yeah.
All right. Well, all's well that ends well.
We got to dust you off.
No. I'm going to use the air hose. I'm going to go inside and use the air hose. I'm going to blow off. I'm going to go in here and blow myself off here.
Tell Brenda.
Oh.
Tell Brenda that I apologize.
Oh.
Here we go.